How to make £100 a day and work for anywhere in the world. Your 2-minute quick start cheat sheet. Trying to find a bare bones flying start guide to get started as quick as possible. In this section, we won't cover whatever, just important action. Before you begin, it is necessary to comprehend a concept behind starting a blog. Make certain to pick a particular niche that is larger than a vegan Caribbean recipe, but smaller than a nutrition. 2. Don't stick to one platform. Make use of WordPress as your blog writing system. However, it shouldn't stop there. Why not additionally use Medium, Tumblr, or even LinkedIn? 3. Control your fate. Articles in multiple locations and also consistently connect back to your site so you can better control the web traffic to your site. 4. Blogging is both regarding you and also I. People want to read stories, they want to be associated with a discussion, and also the most convenient means to do this is to use a word, you and I, written in your blog posts. 5. Constantly ask questions. At the end of every article, ask an inquiry. If you do not ask a question, individuals will not recognize what you do follow. 6. You need to stand out. You need to go above and also past. Regretfully, there is no solitary answer as every section is various, but commonly infographics, visuals, and branching off from everyone else in your area will certainly assist you stand apart. 7. Your content requires to be portable and easy to observe. As an example, creating video-based material or audio-based content, podcasts are simple means to make your content portable. 8. Material isn't taking king unless it's good. Composing average material isn't adequate, it will not succeed, and also you will just be wasting time. So do not create material unless it is really actually good. 9. You need to produce high quantity and quality. To boost your odds of success, you require to be happy to create fantastic web content in a quantity. 10. Your blog site isn't constantly the very best area to blog site. From marketing blog site to big sites like Entrepreneurs as well as Business Insider, consider placing your ideal contents on places with more visibility as well as a higher domain name authority, especially in the beginning. 11. Valuable material beats viral content. Instead of concentrating on producing viral web content when you have less than 1% chance of producing it, in brackets, concentrate on developing beneficial web content. Useful content tends to be evergreen, which implies it can generate steady website traffic in time. 12. It's less complicated to build an individual blog than to cooperate one. People connect with individual greater than they get in touch with business brand names. 13. A blog site won't function without community. Blogging has to do with producing discussions. However, without readers as well as neighbourhood, there is no conversations. 14. No mail is an island. Make certain you respond to every remark. Not just on your blog site, but even when individuals discuss your social account, make sure you react back. 15. People don't read, they skim. So compose your web content with that in mind. From leveraging headlong to also writing a conclusion at the end of each article, this will certainly help your visitors get worth out of your web content even when they don't totally review it. 16. It's everything about the headline. 8 out of 10 people will certainly review your heading, but only 2 out of 10 will check with and also read the rest. So concentrate on developing incredible headers, or else you will not get tons of website traffic. 17. Expose your cards, every one of them. When emphasizing as well as having something to back it up, see to it that you do it early in each post. It's a wonderful means to hook your viewers as well as get them to check out the rest of your web content. 18. Consistently will certainly make or damage you. Do not begin a blog unless you are willing to be regular. Not just for a few months a year, or a year, however. I am speaking about years, 3+. 19. Don't ever rely on one web traffic channel. You need to have an optimum channel technique in which you are levering every one of the feasible channels available that benefit your niche. 20. Do not forget Google. You should always compose for humans and not internet search engines. However, that doesn't mean you must overlook Google. Make certain to include search phases, research from Uber, suggestions, and blend them right into your content. 21. Understand, not all web content is implied to last forever. Not every one of your contents will matter a year or more from currently. 22. You can't establish it as well as forget it. As your web content gets outdated, you'll wish to maintain it fresh, or individuals will find that it's ineffective and also jump away. 23. Individuals won't return to your blog site unless you inquire to. No issue just how good your material is. People will not simply return unless you inquire to. The easiest way to do this is with emails and push alerts. 24. Don't wait as well as lengthily to generate income from. If you go years prior to trying to generate income from people, they will certainly think whatever on your blog is cost-free. 25. Have a multiple monetization approach. Not just is it a safer strategy to have several monetization techniques, however, you'll additionally make more cash. 26. What to pay the price. If you want to succeed, you have to be willing to put in the time and also energy. And if you cannot, after that you have to want to put in money. If you do not, then you will not succeed, despite exactly how great of an author or marketing expert you are. Now that you understand the gist for starting a blog site, It's time to simplify right into the actionable action so you can be on your way to earning money. Now, I hope you've got a few good pointers out of this video. If you like my videos, press the button down below, the like button, and also the ding dong up the top. Next to it, there's an all button you press. You will get informed from YouTube. Couldn't remember the name then. You'll get informed from YouTube when my next video will be up. So this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching. Hope you do come back for more. So may I wish you all the best in your venture and say goodbye.